On the path between Sokuwan and Loso Sing Beach. You can look this up very easily on Google. And this is a spit of land. It's like the narrowest point of Lamma Island, and it's very low lying. It's just a sandy spit really, which joins the north and south parts of Lamma. So here we can see we're still very near the sea. We're right by the sea, in fact, but we're just up a bit behind the beach. And this, of course, you can see is former farmland. A lot of it has been covered over with with this very invasive Mikania climber, and you can see the Mikania climbing up these little these trees here, these Macaranga. You see the Macaranga trees, and the Mikania vine is swamping them. Right, it's really giving them a hard time. So this Mikania is another very annoying invasive species, but. And over there you can see the Mikanias climbing up onto that spiky leaf plant. Right. And then if we come over here we can see a really nice view. Oh yeah, a really nice view of these big spiky plants. Now they're on your list. They're Pandanus tectorius. Pandanus tectorius. So we've zoomed into that Pandanus on the other side of the field there, and at the bottom middle of the picture you can just see the fruit of the Pandanus developing, right? It's got these weird orange fruit, which are called in English false pineapple, because they're not pineapples, they're fake news pineapples. And but anyway, this is Pandanus tectorius. It's often found growing wild at the back of the beach, and we can zoom out again. Whoop. There we go. Let's walk along and get a closer look at the leaves. So it's a native plant. It grows at the back of the beach, usually in that sort of situation. Here's one where we can get close up. Look. But I can't get close to the fruit. You just have to take my word for it about the fruit. But what we can do, I can show you the leaf. Now you can run your hand along the leaf this way, because the spikes are all pointing up that way. But do not try to rub your hand the other way up that leaf, because you will be going to the clinic. You'll be next stop. And you can see the bigger leaves have really quite sharp spikes on them to protect the plant. It's a dry land plant. And it's protecting itself from the former large herbivores that would have been around thousands of years ago. It's protecting itself and its fruit from being eaten by those large herbivores. But of course, that was an adaptation. We've eliminated all the large herbivores like rhinoceros and elephants and what have you. But the plants don't know that. They're still producing the spines. But Pandanus is also used traditionally for weaving and basket making and for roof matting and all kinds of things, right? So you often find it in former farmland areas as well, because it was useful for people. So there you go, Pandanus tectorius.